Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a countdown timer to your ThriveCart product page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a countdown timer to a ThriveCart product page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that by adding a countdown timer, it can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a countdown timer to one of your product pages, here on the top, go ahead and click on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you'll see all the products you're offering. So just choose the product you want to add a countdown timer to. So for example, this one, and click on edit. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these four options at the top, and you want to click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, scroll down until you see this button here, launch editor. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show you your product page. So what you want to do is scroll down to the general area that you want to add the countdown timer to. For me, I like to add it at the top, so I'm going to scroll to the top. And then here on the left side, we're going to click on blocks. Once you click there, you're going to scroll down until you see this countdown timers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the timer right here. And all you're going to do is just click on it and drag it over to the area you want the timer to show up. So for me, I'm going to have it at the top of my page. All right. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click into the block, and then you can go ahead and change the content width. So we're going to go ahead and increase that. You can increase the padding if you want on the top and the bottom. For me, I'm going to leave it the same. If you want to change the background color to match your brand, you can do that. So let's say maybe we're going to go ahead and make it this kind of yellow. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and edit the timer. So we're going to click into it, and it should open up the edit screen here on the left. So we can go ahead and change the font size if we want. We can increase it. I'm going to change this last chance to buy. I'm going to delete this, buy before I delete. Okay, now we can go ahead and set up the timer. So when someone lands on it, let's say they only have 1 hour to purchase. And then when the timer ends, we can go ahead and change this. Take the user to another page, replace the cart with a message, or you can simply reset the countdown, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, and then I'm going to click on done. Also, something I want to let you know is you can change the timer around. So let's say, let's go back in here and edit this. So this is going to be an evergreen timer right here. So as we said, it's going to reset the countdown, but you can put a fixed countdown. So for example, if you know an exact date or time this is going to expire, you can click here fixed, and then we can go ahead and choose the date. So if the product is going to end in, let's say 7 days, we can go ahead and mark that here. All right, once you're done, click on save changes. Okay, now this product page has a timer at the top. So it's not going to 100% create more conversions, but it gives it that little push and a little bit more motivation for your buyers to continue on with the purchase. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a countdown timer to your ThriveCart product page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.